Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how to fix overheating problems and improve device performance. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's get started.